Let's show you how to set up a manufacturing cell and get started with machining your first part in NC Shop Floor Programmer. Like in real life, a manufacturing cell in NC Shop Floor Programmer contains data about the CNC machine, tooling you'd use, the fixturing, stock, and the part, along with other things as well if you need them. It's really handy and ensures that everything about your project is contained in one place. Previously we showed you how to install the Delmia NC Shop Floor Programmer role contained within SOLIDWORKS Ultimate and the 3D Experience Works portfolio, and now we'll introduce you to the programming workflow, starting with these manufacturing cells. To access a manufacturing cell, we head up to the top right and press on the plus. Click on New Content and navigate the list to drop down Types and expand Manufacturing Resource to find the Manufacturing Cell item. You might have spotted that we had Manufacturing Cell in the first drop down menu. You can add it to the plus menu for the next time that you need to create one by right clicking on the item in this menu and selecting Add to Favorites. Clicking on the Manufacturing Cell item opens a window where we can populate our cell with relevant data. In this case, we'll just add a title. My first NC Shop Floor Programmer cell will do us just nicely. Here we can add all sorts of information about the project we're working on. And from there, when we click OK, the software creates it and we're ready to get started. Our next tutorial looks at how to add SOLIDWORKS files into this very manufacturing cell.